Double negatives. How do you make a sentence negative? To make a sentence negative, you must first put non directly in front of the verb. For example, I do not have a dog. Io non ho un cane. Io non ho un cane. You are not at work today. Tu non sei al lavoro oggi. Tu non sei al lavoro oggi. How do you answer a question with a negative reply? To answer with a negative reply, you must start the sentence with no, followed by the negative statement. Okay, we don't always have to say that in English, but it's very common in Italian. For example, do you have a dog? No, I don't have a dog. Hai un cane? No, non ho un cane. Okay, so you see how they use no and then non. Okay, whereas in English we say no and then we'd say I do not or I don't have a dog. So no, non ho un cane. Are you working today? No, I'm not working today. No, I'm not working today. Lavori oggi? No, non lavoro oggi. Okay, so no and then non directly after it. No, non lavoro oggi. What is a double negative? Double negatives are when you use two negative words in the same phrase, such as not, never. Okay, unlike in English, double negatives are correct and often necessary to use in Italian. So yes, in English, we're always taught don't use a double negative, not never, or I can't even think of another example. I do don't never eat that. For example, I have never been to China. I have never been to China. Non sono mai stata in Cina. Non sono mai stata in Cina. Non and mai can mean ever or never, but in this case it means never. So non sono mai stata in Cina. She doesn't want anything. Lei non vuole niente. Lei non vuole niente. Okay, so this literally means she doesn't want nothing. She doesn't want nothing. Okay, but in English we would say she doesn't want anything.